So what happens when you reset an iPad? Let me explain that and show you how it would work and explain the whole thing. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So not all resets are the same because when you open up your settings app, tap on a general, and at the bottom we have the transfer or reset iPad menu. And you can see that I can click on reset right here, and it's going to give me all of the possible ways I can reset the iPad. And each of them does something completely different. If I click on reset keyboard dictionary, it's just going to reset and forget the words and my typing patterns on the keyboard, right? I can reset the home screen layout, which is pretty self-explanatory. I can reset handwriting style or even the network settings or all of the settings. So each of the things will do different things. So if I click on reset all settings, my data, my photos, apps, everything is going to stay as it was, but the Wi-Fi settings and everything else is going to come back to the default stage. So this is what happens based on which reset you go through. But if you click on erase all content and settings below, this is a much more serious step because if you continue with it, it's going to sign you out of the iPad. It's going to delete every single app, photo, and piece of data you have on the iPad. And it's also going to disable the activation lock. So that is the thing which you only want to do if you are selling the iPad or if you are getting rid of it and moving to a new one or so on, right? But it's not something you do almost ever with your iPad because you are losing all of the data with it. So if you click on this, this is what happens. But if you just choose a milder reset, then this is what happens based on the reset that you pick. So I hope that I was able to explain what you can expect. In case you have some more thoughts or questions about this, just let me know below and I will try to answer them perhaps with another video in the future. So stay tuned for more and I'll see you later.